Okay, so you've installed SiteAudit and you're ready to start monitoring. Let's take a look at what you have to do. The first thing is you'll have to set up your discovery criteria to identify the IP addresses in your network where you want to find printers. So let's do that first. I'm just going to enter a quick Class C network here. Okay, and now I'm going to try to start monitoring. Okay, come over here, Tools menu, and start monitoring. Now, some of you may notice, I come back here and it didn't actually start monitoring. So why might that occur? If we come over to our setup and database, we will see that we're using integrated security. So this problem sometimes happens when you're using integrated security on a system that has UAC. Okay, so what we're going to need to do is find out who's logged into this machine and add that user as the logon for the service. Okay, so let's first find out who's logged onto the machine. We'll come down here and open our task manager. Look at users, and it appears to be a local administrator. Okay, so let's bring up the services panel. Okay, and we'll go to the Netaphor SiteAudit monitoring service. Okay, and double click that. All right, so here's the logon, and by default it uses the local system account. And if you happen to be using SQL authentication, suppose you had a user here and password, you would not run into this problem at all. The problem only occurs when you're using integrated security. So what we're going to do here, again, is we're going to come into this logon and we're going to enter the account of the user who's logged into this machine. Okay, so this one is administrator. Okay. All right, now let's come back over here and try and start the monitoring service. And now you can see it says stop monitoring and it's running. And if I come over here now and refresh this service, you'll see that it's running. Okay, so that's how you resolve this issue and get SiteAudit to monitor. When you're using integrated security, you're going to want to make sure that the logon account is whoever's logged into the machine. Okay.